Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Black Ash 007, and today we are going to be playing Call of Duty Mobile. Okay, this guy is moving like up and down here and there. I'm just spectating right now. Okay, come on, shoot this guy. Come on, shoot this guy. Why are you just standing still over there? Okay, shoot him. He died and we lost this round. Just great. Just great. Okay, now let us select the LK20. No, this is the MSMC loadout. Okay, let's get the bomb and move out of here. We are going to base A. Okay, I hear some footsteps. Okay, there he is. Okay, he's hiding behind. I'll allow my teammates to go. And he's here. Okay, shoot. Okay, he has some sort of fast SMG. Okay, that is the PDW57 skin of Evil Chip. That's the skin, Evil Chip, that just came out last season. And this is Bomb Boys. He's just walking with the S36, and I don't know what this guy is doing, aiming in the air and shooting anywhere. He is literally a bot. He's not a noob. Oh look, he got that guy. Okay, let's go. Come on, Bomb Boys. Okay, he's just roaming here and there and not even shooting. We lost this round again, and he is defusing the bomb, and there you go, he defused it. We lost this round again, and now I'm going to unleash my special mode of the AS-M10. Okay, this is a really slow rate of fire gun, but has it hits hard. These bullets pierce through the body. Okay, here he is using long shot. Okay, I don't think we got him. Okay, here we go. We got him. That's a normal kill. Let's get out of this sniper's den, because it's really dangerous to be. Okay, someone's shooting us. Kill this guy, come on, quick. Yes, we got him, yes. Okay, there's a guy coming again. Oh, it's the PDW guy. We shot him, that's great. Now let's go to base A again for some reason, but we have to plant the bomb. Okay, let's go prone and plant the bomb so that no one sees us. Okay, there's a guy on the map. He's right here, and shoot him, come on. There we go, we got it. Okay, who's the last guy? We have to kill him. Okay, let's wait here. Let's wait for the other guy to come. Okay, I think I hear some footsteps, but he's not over here right now. Okay, now I hear the footsteps. Okay, my teammate died right now. We have to get him. Where is he? Where is he hiding? Why did the hunter-killer drone not even touch him or even kill him? We got him with our special weapon, but we didn't kill him with the hunter-killer drone. That's really weird, because hunter-killer drones are like heat-seeking missiles. They just follow heat signatures. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay, we are going to base A because that is the closest to us, the closest base to us. Okay, sniper over here. Come on, kill him. But we died. Okay, it's the same PDW57 Evil Chip. It's the same guy. He killed us again. I don't know. SMGs don't have that much range. It's for short range purposes, but he can snipe with that. This guy has a sniper, but he's not even using it. He's shooting in the air and the ground for some reason. Okay, he's dead. We lost this round again. My whole team's a bot. If you guys know what bot is, please comment down below in the comment section. We have chosen our most special weapon, the LK24 skin, survival of the fittest. Okay, let's go. Just checking if anyone's here. No one's here. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, I hear some footsteps, but that's of our teammate. Okay, now I hear gunshots. Oh, there they are. Come on, shoot him. Yes, we got him. Reload. That's a quick reload, man. Real quick. Come on, let's go. Okay, here he is. Shoot that PDW guy. Yes, got him with our LK-24. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the our teammate. Okay, he's here. He's right here. Okay, we got him. We got him again, and let's reload. Okay, searching for him. Let's search. Okay. Okay. Oh, here he is. Let's shoot him. One shot to the leg, and he's down. That's real bullets. Piercing rounds. Okay, now I think we should choose the same gun because it's really fast and agile and really quick to reload. Okay, let's go through here to base A because that's the closest one after all. And let's slide and see if anyone's here. Okay, no one's here right now, so we should be focused. Let's go to our next position. Okay, he's here. He's right here. Okay, that PDW guy is going to shoot us. We're almost dead. Okay, kill him. We didn't manage to get that PDW 57 guy, but he should be around here somewhere. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, here he might be right over here. So we should search. Okay, he's here, right here. Okay, we died again. That is a very fast gun. Actually, let's choose MSMC because that is even faster. There's so much sweat right now because oh god, this is literally a noob. They're just walking past each other, not shooting. I'm sweating right now because the AC is not switched on. The air conditioning is not working and the personal fan is not working too. So I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to spectate. Okay, he is like roaming here and there on the last 30 seconds of the game, but I have no hopes for this guy because he's a bot. He doesn't have feelings. Okay, he's finally managed to come to know what is A and what is diffuse. Okay, people are shooting at him and he's still not doing anything. He's shooting the floor, obviously. So much sweat. Come on, let's wipe this off. Okay, target was destroyed. He did a really bad thing and we lost the whole game. There's no any other round. This was the final kill cam because he shot me. That was the last kill of this game. I really need a napkin. Where will I hold on? We're starting a new one, by the way. Okay, we got this napkin. Wiping her face. It's really sweaty. Okay, we got it. Okay, so here is the map Meltdown. I don't know what Meltdown is, but looks really futuristic. Okay, so we are going with the ASM-10 because as you all know it shoots very hard but has a little bit slow rate of fire, so that's okay. Let's go. So we are going to use the pinging button to say let's go this way. Let's go this way. And once more, let's go this way.
Let's go this way.
Okay, I hear some footsteps. Okay, there he is. He's right here. Let's shoot him. It was a major assist, but does not really matter now. Let's go. Okay, bomb has been planted. Has been planted at A. Okay, I see one guy right there. Let's go. Oh, here he is. Okay, we got him, but there are 3 people remaining. And let's go. Because only 30 seconds are remaining. Okay, there he is. He's hiding there, but he's left. Let's throw a grenade at him. Sticky grenade. Okay, he's here as well. Okay, let's use a pistol because we have to shoot him really fast. And let's defuse the bomb real quick. Only 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yes! We defused the bomb! Bomb defused! We won this round, okay? So that's real good, and now we're going to choose the same gun because same reason. And let's go. I'm choosing a different path now to go to base A, and let's see whether anyone is around us. Okay, no one's around us. Let's go. Let's go from here and follow him. Actually, before following him, you should check if anyone's around us. There's so much sweat in this room right now. Actually, it's not sweat, it's humidity, but it's fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, he's not here right now. Bomb has been planted at B. So we'll go to B. Here we are. Oh, everyone is camping here. Let's shoot. Before even I could talk, he shot me with a striker. Striker is like an automatic shotgun shell machine gun that's really fast. I'm typing camp at B because all of them are camping at B. Okay, he's reloading after just shooting 3 bullets, and he's shooting in the air. He died. Good job. This guy has the M4 LMG. Not sure how he's aiming it anywhere. That's okay. He's shooting at the floor. He shot his foot and the guy died, and the target is destroyed. My teammates are noobs, and this is not proper matchmaking. COD, Call of Duty Mobile, if you're watching this video, please fix this. Let's go. Okay, we are going to base B with our MSMC loadout because it's very fast, and it is also used for short range combat, close quarter battle. And let's check if anyone's here. Okay, no one's here, but someone just died. Let's go to the right. Okay, here he is. Let's shoot him. See, this is what I was talking about. It shoots real fast. Fast? Fast. What do you call it? Okay, let's go. We'll flank them from the back, but not sure where all the guys are right now. Okay, he's here. Let's shoot him. Okay, we got him. That was real fast. Where are the other guys? There's so much humidity in this room. It's so hot here. Okay, let's oh, here he is. Kill him. Okay. Oh yeah. This is what I call as SMG. You use SMGs for close quarter battles. Okay, come on. Oh, where did this guy come from? Okay, we should shoot him down right now. Yes, we won the round. This is what I was talking about for SMGs. We are switching sides right now, and I'm going to keep the same gun because it's very fast. Okay, we have to destroy the targets now, not defuse it. Let's go to A because no one has planted the bomb over there since a long time, and no one will be suspecting it. Wait, what? This is the gutter? I'm not going here. Okay, so here we are. Let's plant the bomb before anyone sees us. There's a guy coming behind us right now. He is my teammate. Okay, the bomb has been planted. Now we should search for the other guys. Okay, here they are. They've been roaming over here since when? Okay, I got a major assist, and I'm sweating like mad now. It was really intense. Okay, there are 2 guys right in front of us. So let's get him. Okay, here he is, and boom. He's dead because of the MSMC loadout. MSMC is this gun which I'm using right now. Okay, here he is, and shoot him. He's dead. We got him. Victory. A lot of sweat again. We need to keep this napkin handy. Okay, choosing ASM-10. We have got the bomb. Now we are going to base B. Let's jump from here and travel to base B. Just checking whether anyone's not here. Okay, no one's here right now for the time being. Okay, one of our guys died or disconnected, I guess. Okay, let's now plant the bomb. This bomb is actually very weird. You open it like a briefcase and then you start planting it. Unlike he's here. Unlike Seops, because he has like Red X or some C4 in his hand, then he starts to plant. That's completely different. So 30 seconds remaining and only one guy left. Okay, he's there and now will throw a bomb. He's coming through that entrance or the other three ones. Okay, we won. Crooked Teeth killed him, but I think it was a bomb. No, it was Crooked Teeth. He's actually a noob from the first round, if you guys remember. He's shooting at feet again. Shot his foot. How many times did he shoot that foot? Okay, now let's wipe our faces again. It will be hot. I wish I could just turn on the fan, but it will interfere in the audio. Okay, look, he has that take the L dance. Okay, now let's claim all this stuff. Like, there's a lot of stuff. Tier 2, great job. Let's claim more. Tier 3, good job. Come on, Tier 4, good job. Okay, now let's claim.
A few moments later.
Here we are, Tier 5, finally. Okay, we have reached Tier 5 and only one thing left to claim. That's done, and checking if we have to claim any other stuff. And what is this? No, I don't like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like it. Dislike, it's all up to you. Share this video with your friends and comment down below in the comment section if you guys want to play Call of Duty Mobile with me, and send a friend request on this game. So stay home, stay safe, peace out. Boom. There should be 2 videos up here right now. I don't know when they'll come. Hey.